Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Dominion for Real. All right, you are welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about a new project. All right, a very new project in town. This project is called Magnitude Network. Okay, so we are going to discuss about this project, and I'm also going to walk you through on how to get started in this new project. All right, how you can create your account and how you can start mining. All right, so this project is similar to Pi Network and Sidra and Upper Chain and the rest project that you know. All right, so this one is similar to them. So if you miss Pi or you miss Sidra, I don't want you to miss this project. Okay, so all we simply need to do, because I'm going to drop the link in the description box of this video. So when you click on the link, you'll be redirected to your Play Store, install the app, and I will also drop the referral code. Input the referral code to boost your mining and also reward you as a welcome bonus. Okay, so all I simply need to do, I'm going to click on this create account here, this one here. I'm going to click on it, create accounts. Then I will put my name, email, I will set the password, I will confirm the password, I will accept these terms and conditions. Then I will click on continue. All right, so I'm going to do that right away. Okay, before you do that, please do not click on this login until you fill all this form, fill all this box and click on this box. Make sure that this box is ticked. Then you click on continue. Okay, so I just fill the information. It's requesting for my username. I have to set a username. Then I have to input my referral code here. All right, so I'm going to do that right away. After filling this box, I'm going to click on sign up. Okay, so I just signed up right now. Then this is my mining dashboard. As you can see, I'll be mining 0.1 per hour. All right, and it will, okay, so let's click on this place. I want to activate my mining. If you want to activate your mining, just tap on this box. Okay, so I just activated the mining right now, and I just discovered that the mining will last for 24 hours. That is 1 day. So at the mining rate of 0.1. So when you scroll down, you are going to see there is a reward box here where you can claim a reward every day, and you can also invite your friend, get your referral link from this place. And then don't forget, we have halving, all right, a deduction, all right. So currently we are mining at the rate of 0.05. So this is 100k. So we are currently mining at this rate. Now when we get to 300k, it will reduce to 0.025. 1 million users will reduce to 0.012. So 3 million will reduce to 0.006 and so on. So when we get to 5 million, the mining, I think the mining will stop from here. From my observation, the mining will stop from there. So that is all about that. Okay, so if you want to see your referral team, your mining team, just like the way Pi network is, you come over to this place and tap on it. You can see this is the rate, you know. So you can click on view team member here. Click on view team member. I don't have any team member for now. If you want to see your profile, you come over to this place and tap on this place. Okay. So after clicking on that place, you will see you can check their white paper, you can check their website, you can contact their support and the rest. So that is all about that in this video. Please, I want you to start this project on time. You are very, very early on this. Okay? Before the halving, make sure you position yourself. All right? So make sure you position yourself, okay? And if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on that bell notification so that you will not miss any update like this, okay? Thank you. See you in the next video. Don't forget, I will drop the link in the description box of this video, and I'll also drop the referral code. All right? Thank you.